everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Salmon, and today we're gonna do ombre fading. So today I will be doing this lovely ombre nails, and this is so fitting for a wedding or any special occasion that you want it to be simple but sophisticated. So I'm using the form that I did reveal on my previous video, which is TNG, That Nail Girl. I am absolutely loving these forms and I think I've converted. So here I'm going in with St. Elizabeth, which is our white acrylic, and I'm just making sure I extend the nail bed to the length that I want for this nail. I'll be taking my time with this nail as I wanted it to be precise. I wanted the angle of the nail to be accurate and the balance of the nail to be spot on. So I'm just using like really tiny beads just to achieve this nail. Look how straight that is. So I'm telling you, this form, it gives you guidance. It does. And I'm absolutely loving it. So here I'm just using the pinching tool to get the C curve in more and to add strength into the apex of the nail. Because you want to make sure the nail is going to be strong, because although it's a short form, it's actually a long nail. And I could recommend this to be salon size or salon nail. It's a bit long, but to me it's medium. I'm used to longer nails than this, so it's manageable. So I'll just pinch to make sure I add extra strength to the nail and also to give the nail a nice C-curve look. I'm loving it. So here I'm going in with Salmon, as in the fish. This is our cover pink, one of our cover pink in the nude collection. So I'm applying thin layers of this cover pink to do the ombre fade. Then I'll be going in with the shimmer, and then I'll be encapsulating with Truth Clear Acrylic. This nail I would recommend for weddings, like proms, anything like special occasions where you want to have that simplicity about your nails but still looking stunning. This nail will be, or the set, sorry, would be the ideal set to choose. And this was so simply done, and as you can see, I'm showing you the C-curve, the apex, and the straightness of the nail, which is the balance of the nail. So there you have it, my top secret on how you can get the straight looking C-curved nails with a nice apex and a clean cuticle. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. And don't forget to hit that notification button, turn it on. Come on, you won't miss another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you really soon. Kisses and glitter, sprinkled with glitter love.